The human brain is a highly complex organ made up of about 86 billion neurons, specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. It serves as the control center for thoughts, emotions, memory, movement, and survival functions.
According to the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, the brain regulates everything from breathing and heartbeat to reasoning, learning, and decision-making.
Biologically, the brain is part of the central nervous system, working alongside the spinal cord to process information and coordinate responses.
Major parts of the brain: cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, responsible for thinking, decision-making, memory, language, voluntary movement.
It contains the frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes. The Cleveland Clinic explains that the frontal lobe plays a key role in reasoning, planning, and impulse control, crucial in overthinking.
Limbic system, often called the emotional brain, includes amygdala, fear, threat detection; hippocampus, memory formation.
According to the National Institute of Mental Health, the amygdala helps process fear and emotional reactions.
Brainstem controls automatic survival functions like breathing, heart rate, sleep cycles. Overthinking is the repeated, excessive analysis of thoughts, decisions, or situations, often focusing on negative outcomes or what-if scenarios.
Psychologically, this is closely related to rumination, defined as repetitive thinking about distressing situations or emotions. The American Psychological Association describes rumination as persistent thinking about negative feelings and problems without moving toward solutions.
Overthinking can increase stress, reduce decision clarity, strengthen anxiety patterns.
But here's the fascinating part: your brain doesn't overthink to harm you. It does it to protect you.
Why your brain loves overthinking.
Biological perspective, survival wiring, amygdala activation. Your brain evolved primarily for survival, not happiness. When the amygdala detects uncertainty, it activates the threat response system. Even social embarrassment or future uncertainty can trigger similar circuits as physical danger.
According to the Harvard Medical School, the amygdala plays a central role in processing fear and perceived threats.
When uncertainty appears, your brain thinks, if I analyze this enough, I can prevent danger. So it keeps thinking and thinking.
The default mode network, DMN, neuroscientists have identified a brain system called the default mode network, DMN, active when your mind is at rest and not focused on external tasks.
Research from the Stanford University shows the DMN is involved in self-reflection, thinking about the future, replaying past events.
Overthinking often happens when the DMN becomes overactive. Your brain literally defaults to self-analysis when idle. Dopamine and problem-solving reward.
When you believe you're solving a problem, your brain may release small amounts of dopamine, the motivation neurotransmitter. This creates a subtle feeling of control.
Psychological perspective 1. Illusion of control. Humans are uncomfortable with uncertainty.
Psychologists explain that excessive thinking creates a false sense of preparedness. You feel like you're reducing risk, even if you're just replaying the same scenario.
Anxiety feedback loop. Overthinking strengthens neural pathways related to worry. The deeper truth: your brain loves overthinking because
It evolved to detect threats. It prefers certainty over ambiguity. It rewards problem analysis. It fears social rejection. It protects you from imagined danger as if it were real.
Overthinking is not weakness. It is an overactive protection system.
The same brain that can spiral into worry is also capable of creativity, planning, imagination, and deep intelligence.